The Oaskys camping sleeping bag is designed to serve as a versatile and reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts across 3 seasons, specifically targeting temperatures between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius. This sleeping bag aims to provide warmth, comfort, and convenience for camping, hiking, traveling, and other outdoor activities. The product is constructed with a premium 210T anti-tearing polyester fabric on the outer cover, which offers waterproof and breathable properties. Inside, it features a 190T polyester pongee lining combined with double-fill technology to enhance insulation and protect against dampness. The sleeping bag measures approximately 190 plus 30 centimeters in length by 80 centimeters in width, making it suitable for both adults and kids. It is lightweight and comes with a compression sack with straps, facilitating easy storage and transport. Users across various reviews have praised the oaskys sleeping bag for its warmth and comfort. Many have noted that it effectively keeps them warm even in cooler temperatures, with one user reporting successful use in 40-degree Fahrenheit conditions aboard a Navy ship. The bag's design includes a half-circle hood with an adjustable drawstring to retain heat around the head, which is appreciated for providing extra warmth in cold conditions. The rectangular shape and envelope style offer ample space for movement and comfort during sleep. The sleeping bag is also machine washable, which adds to its convenience and ease of maintenance. However, some users have pointed out issues with the zipper, particularly the zipper near the head of the bag. It has been described as difficult to operate, with the red zipper pull intended to ease use proving ineffective. This has led some to modify the zipper pull or consider the alternative ways to enter and exit the bag. Despite this, the zipper at the foot end functions smoothly, and the overall build quality is considered durable and suitable for regular use. The sleeping bag's warmth level has been a mixed point among users. While many find it adequately warm for spring, fall, and mild winter conditions, some have noted that it can feel too hot or sticky inside, especially in warmer climates or summer months. One user mentioned trying a sleeping bag liner to reduce the sticky sensation, though this could increase the warmth further. The bag's insulation strikes a balance that favors cooler weather, making it less ideal for very hot conditions. In terms of portability, the sleeping bag compresses well into its carrying sack, though some users find it challenging to pack back into the bag due to its bulk. The sack lacks buckles or snaps to attach easily to backpacks, which may be a consideration for backpackers who require more compact and easily transportable gear. Despite this, the lightweight nature and manageable size make it a practical option for casual campers and families. The oaskys sleeping bag has been well received by families, with several reviews highlighting its suitability for children due to its size and weight. It has been used successfully for kids' camping trips, providing comfort and warmth without adding excessive weight to their gear. The color options are appreciated for their vibrancy and appeal. Overall, the oaskys camping sleeping bag offers a solid combination of features for its price point. It delivers reliable warmth for 3-season use, a weather-resistant design, and a comfortable fit for a range of users. While the zipper issue and occasional warmth concerns may affect some users, the bag's affordability, durability, and practical design make it a popular choice among campers and outdoor enthusiasts. The product comes with a 3-year warranty and responsive customer support, which adds confidence to the purchase. For anyone considering this sleeping bag, it is recommended to assess the expected weather conditions and personal temperature preferences. It excels in cool to mild weather, but may require additional ventilation or a lighter option for hot summer camping. The zipper challenge is notable, but not a deal breaker given the overall performance and value. Users are encouraged to share their own experiences in the comments to assist others in making informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and facilitate easy access to purchase. In conclusion, the oaskys camping sleeping bag stands out as an affordable, warm, and durable option for 3-season outdoor use. Its thoughtful design features and positive user feedback underline its suitability for a wide range of camping and travel scenarios. While not perfect, it offers great value and dependable performance for those seeking a practical sleeping bag without a premium price tag.